Hi everyone, hi. Welcome back with the second Sudoku of today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 14th. This Sudoku, the second one, is a Sudoku with 2 stars. And today we have 6 puzzles to go. One I have just finished, so 5 to go now. Yes, so let's get started with the second Sudoku. Alright, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 4 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7 here. No 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 1, no, we have the 1. The 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright, and now in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see which number I can use. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And then we go to the number 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Well. How about the 7? I see here 7. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 7. So the 7 should be here or there. How about the 8? I see here an 8. So these 2 boxes cannot be an 8. The 8 could be here or could be there. How about the 7? 1, 2. The 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column, second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. In this big square, no, in this column, 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 9. 1, 2, and a 9. 1, 2, and a 9. I see here 2 and a 9, so this cannot be the 2 and the 9. 1 digit left for the 1. So here we have the 2 and the 9 left, the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And now we have a pair. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there together with the 7, but I see we have already a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 2, and this should be a 7. The other two numbers are the 8 and the 1 left. Yes, the 8 and the 1. 8, 1, that means in this column, one of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 here. We have a 7 there, so one box left for the 7 should be there. The 1 and the 8 are left. 1 and the 8, same like this row, the 1 and the 8. But we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. So this should be an 1, and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then, how about these two numbers? The 1 and the 5 are missing. The 1 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. How about these? 1 and the 5 and the 7. These two numbers. The 1 and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. How about the 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column. 3 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. How about the 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column? So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 6, I believe. 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Then, how about these two numbers in the third row for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5 in this row. We have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 there. This should be a 1 and this should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright, for 2 Stars Sudoku, it's very fast. Anyway, the time is faster than the previous Sudoku, a 1 star Sudoku. So the previous one, I think they need to switch the stars. This should be a 1 star and the previous 2 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for now, and I will see you in a minute with the 3 Stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye.